Okay, I've just cleaned out my shower, cleaned all the grouting, and what's happened is all the sealant has come off. So what I'm going to do is just to reseal all the tiles before I use the shower again. So I'm just going to use some sealant just to seal the tiles again. I'm just going to put it on with a sponge just so it's a bit quicker. Put an old towel at the bottom just to catch any drips, just so it doesn't stain the shower tray. I'll make sure I get it right into the grouting. And I'll basically do that all over and then right into the edges. Right, okay, that's now done. I'll just let it dry and then I might do another coat and then let it dry 24 hours before I use it. That's it all sealed. It's looking much better. Only thing is the trim on the outside here is looking really not very good at all. So what I'm going to do is to replace it. I'll measure it all up and then just order a new one. That's 6 foot, or it's 182.5 centimetres. I'll make sure I order the right size online. Actually, where this one wasn't quite fitting properly here, I'll see if I can get a deeper one. Yeah, this one's come off now. Okay, I've got some new bits of shower trim and I'm going to cut it to the exact size using the old one as a template. I've just got an old bit of wood that I'm going to use as a chopping board and I've got a Stanley knife. Okay, I've cut that exactly the same shape as the old one. Let's see how it fits. Okay, now for this long one. And then let's put the new one on. It should just slide on fairly easily. That seal is on there. It was a bit of a tight fit, but it got on there in the end. Thanks for watching and subscribe for some more videos.